Inside a military command center, a radar track jumps 40 miles sideways without warning. Live feeds from MQ-9 Reaper drones, thousands of miles away, suddenly freeze and vanish from the monitors. Cockpit displays in KC-135 tankers begin feeding pilots contradictory telemetry. The flight computers struggle to reconcile the internal sensors with the incoming signals, forcing the aircraft to physically wobble. The disruption quickly affects civilian infrastructure. Cell towers lose synchronization and drop active connections, while commercial paging networks go dark across entire regions. This cascade was caused by a corrupted signal transmitted from orbit, forcing every machine in the network to act on a false reality. In the 1970s, Air Force engineers constructed a global, distributed temporal database. Their design focused on a single requirement: total time synchronization. GPS satellites broadcast an active stream of temporal records, accurate to the billionth of a second. Each broadcast packet follows a strict schema: a precise timestamp, a clock correction value, a navigation message, and an ephemeris record. Ground receivers capture these overlapping broadcasts to calculate signal delays, creating the three-dimensional grid we use to navigate. Because spatial location is a calculation derived from time, any corruption in the temporal data poisons the entire global network. The outage began when an operator pushed a routine database update to retire an aging satellite and adjust its orbital constants. A single unvalidated field in that code contained a 13 microsecond offset. A 13 microsecond delay means a signal travels several miles. To computers, this gap is an unhandled exception. Radar timestamps drifted out of sync, splitting targets into ghost duplicates. Drone encryption windows missed their timing, severing the security handshake. The error propagated from orbit to the ground at the speed of light, turning a minor database error into physical chaos. Operators on the operations floor immediately began a diagnostic triage, ruling out the master clock and all ground-based hardware. Eventually, they traced the source of the anomaly to a single corrupted node in the orbital cluster, satellite SVN-23. The Air Force compiled a corrected navigation message and pushed the patch to the production system. Technicians waited for the new signal to propagate through the atmosphere, watching for the systems on the ground to accept the corrected handshake. Stabilization occurred in waves. Drones pinged back onto the network, radar tracks merged into single targets, and communication channels resumed normal operation. While military hardware is protected by heavy physical redundancy, precision time remains an inescapable single point of failure. The integrity of a timestamp is now the primary requirement for a functioning defense system.